I walk roads with no direction, chasing dreams and fighting doubt. Every scar became a lesson, every fall I still climbed out. People talk but they don't know me, they don't see the miles I've made. I keep moving through the shadows, turning darkness into gray. This is Tracy, Trails by Tracy. Every step is mine to take. I've been broken, I've been shaken, but I rise with every break. Through the fire, through the aching, I still stand, I still create. This is Tracy, on her trail, walking proudly toward fate. I've had nights of quiet crying, days where hope felt far away, but the strength inside kept calling. Girl, you've got more than you say. I've lost friends, I lost my patience, but I've never lost my heart. Every setback was a teacher, every ending a new start.